watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello again, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have another Cricut mystery box for you. So this mystery box is called Cricut's Mossy Spring Joy Mystery Box. So it's going to be filled with lots of stuff for the joy. But I'll go ahead and explain how, if you don't have the joy, how you can use this stuff also. First thing we always get into is what cutie comes in the box, and we got a cutie. I'll give a hint. It matches one of my colors of nails. I got 3 colors, so which color do you think it is? It's one of 3 colors. So this cutie has been out before, but it's only been out one time. This one came out in February of this year. It's one of my favorite colors, and it is the beautiful, it matches my nails perfectly. I did not plan this. This is the Aqua Green Cutie. Somehow my fingernail polish is the exact same color. But like I say, he's almost like Tiffany blue. Very, very cute. I love this color. And I was trying to find my true teal cutie. He's missing. He did have an accident with a heat press. Burnt some paint off his eyeballs with my heat press accidentally, and I don't know where my true teal went. But the true teal one is a much darker teal, where this is lighter, where this one is like aqua color, where the other one's much darker and it's a real teal color. And this one here is the peacock, so you can see this is peacock, aqua, and then the teal is honestly in between these two. And because we get the cutie, it is Cricut Access members only. But if you're not Cricut Access, there are links below, so you can go ahead and purchase the link. You can purchase the links. You can join Access from the links, or you can purchase the box from the links. And to match the Aqua Green Cutie, we are getting some mint removable vinyl. So this is the Cricut Joy 5.5 inch by 48 inches of smart vinyl. So if you have your Cricut Joy, you can put this in matless. However, if you don't have a Cricut Joy, just go ahead and put it on a mat, and then you can use it also. And we're getting some smart iron-on. This is going to be the silver color too. So you're going to get 5.5 inch by 24 inches of the smart iron-on. And again, with your Joy, throw it in matless, but anything else, go ahead and add it to a mat. And we do have some sparkle in this box. So we're getting Cricut Joy Smart Iron-On. This is 5.5 by 19 inches. And it's also glitter, and it's the fluorescent green glitter. There it is. Look at and it's all of its sparkly magnificence. So great color for spring. And we're getting a big chunky box of the Smart Vinyl Removable, and this is in the ocean color, blue. Almost Cubby's blue, but not quite. This one's gonna be 5.5 inches by 10 feet. And again, same thing, it's smart, so Joy, matless, not Joy, just throw it on a mat and you can use it. And we're getting some infusible ink. So we're gonna get gray infusible ink. And you're gonna get 2 sheets in here. Each sheet is 4.5 inches by 12 inches. So you can go ahead and press this on any sublimatable blank. All of the Cricut blanks, like the mugs, pillowcases, makeup bags, shirts, tote bags, wine bags. All of those are gonna work with infusible ink. So you can use infusible ink by itself. You can cut your design and then press that on. Or you can use infusible ink with iron-on also. So you can cut out something and then use iron-on with it. So you can also press it onto the aluminum sheets, which we did get some aluminum sheets in the last mystery box. And because we can never be new organized. Can never be new organized. We can never be too organized. So we're getting some writable vinyl smart label Cricut Joy. So you're gonna get 4 sheets of this, and each sheet is 5.5 by 13 inches. And then you can just customize these with your Cricut Joy pens and markers. And then again, if you have your Cricut Joy, it's smart, so you can feed it through matless, but if not, just go ahead and add it to a mat. So that is everything that is in the Cricut's Mossy Spring Joy Mystery Box. So the box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but it never is because you always get your access discount, which you have to be access to purchase. So you will save on every purchase at Cricut.com. So links are below to go ahead and purchase if you like. Greatly appreciate when you use those links. And we don't have a current giveaway going on, but I'm starting a giveaway. I don't know what it is yet when I'm recording this, but by the time this airs, I will have a new giveaway started, and I will go ahead and put the link to that giveaway in the chat below. So to enter our giveaways, you're always going to go to our Facebook group, Cricut Design Space. In that group, when we have a giveaway, we'll go ahead and put it in the featured too, so you can easily find it. But that's where you'll always find our giveaways that we have going on. And then we have a Patreon group too that starts at $2 a month, which you get access to over 1,200 designs now, all within Design Space. So you don't have to export them or anything, but we do use those Cricut Access images and fonts lots of times, so you'll get the most out of it with your Cricut Access membership. Otherwise, you can do our projects, but you would have to pay for certain images and fonts that aren't free within Design Space. And with that, you get access to our 24/7 crafting Zoom, which means you can stay at home and craft, and then you make crafty friends, and then you go in there and you're all at your own houses, but you're hanging out doing crafts together. And we do have a trip coming up. Last year we went to Columbus, Ohio to see the eclipse. This year we're gonna go to, I've never been, so I'm so excited because I've always wanted to go. But this year we're going to Savannah, Georgia. So, and this is open to all of our Patreon members. So we have posts going out for that. So make sure, we want more of you guys to join us. We had so much fun last time. We had so much fun. Lots of laughs. Still things I still laugh about that happened. But it was just a really good time. And we love to have new crafty friends join us. So please check that out. So thank you guys so much. We greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate our admins. You guys who are watching us, who leaves us those comments and the likes and who subscribe. So hit the little bell so you'll always get notified when we are live. We go live 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Fridays we go into new image sets, which sometimes there's not a lot, so we just go ahead and look at different projects within Design Space. Then Saturdays, me and Alex alternate. One Saturday he'll be live, the next one I'll be live, and we'll show you how to design a project within Design Space. And then on that Tuesday, we'll go ahead and put together whatever we have designed. So please join us there. Join us in the chats. I love chatting with our crafty friends as we do it, especially when we design. Because lots of times you guys help us too. Like I have lots of times I'm sitting there like, I don't know which is better, this or that. But you guys help. So I love that. So thank you guys so much. We will see you guys next time. Have a craftastic rest of your week. And happy crafting, everyone. Doodles.